Flick it. And allow frying on this side. Some pigtail, about half pound or a quarter pound. This is what it looks like. Let's put to the side. It's time to taste it to see if you want to add more salt or not. Just be careful because I want to taste this, but it's just too hot right now. So that's chicken soup. Alright, this is my dough, our dough bread, dough. That's good. Just rose a little bit. Alright, so this I'm going to use rolling to it. Just kind of knead it. This quarter cup, don't use all the flour. Just using it to prevent the sticking. So take about 8 to 15 minutes. So just fold this on tight. It's just like bread, dough bread. Some of the juice, like half. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you cornmeal porridge. With, you see, a lot of Jamaicans don't eat porridge anywhere for reasons like these. They want it to be creamy and lump free. When the bubbles start hitting you, splash and hit, that's a sign to say it's ready. And when it starts, sticks to the bottom heavily, because it's sticking a little and I can feel it. Have to move fast. The oil is really hot right now. I always like to test first one. Wow, look at it. So soft. This is my least favorite thing. But just hit that stir. You can taste it.
Awesome. Yeah. Go ahead and get your own cookbook because these are mine.
Yeah. Enjoy. You're going to enjoy this one.